The past month has witnessed an unprecedented explosion in artificial intelligence capabilities, a convergence of breakthroughs spanning biomimetic, robotics, next-generation language models, and revolutionary interaction paradigms that together signal a fundamental shift in how machines will integrate into human life. Leading the charge in the physical world is a new wave of biomimetic robotics, where machines are no longer clunky mechanical contraptions but fluid, lifelike entities inspired by nature's millions of years of evolutionary refinement. At CES 2026, Mind with Heart Robotics stole the spotlight with its emotionally intelligent robot lineup. Headlined by the Anan Biomimetic Effective AI Panda, this CES Innovation Award honoree is not merely a cute companion. It represents a profound leap in therapeutic technology designed to provide 24/7 emotional support for the elderly and pediatric patients by capturing and responding to interaction data for healthcare monitoring. With mass production slated for March 2026, Anan embodies the growing consensus that the next great frontier for AI is not just intelligence, but emotionally resonant physical presence. This aligns with the broader scientific momentum captured by journals like Biomimetics, which are dedicating special issues to the smart artificial muscles and sensors that make such fluid, adaptive movement possible. These soft robotics innovations, drawing from biological systems like human musculoskeletal structure and insect locomotion, are creating machines capable of safe, dexterous interaction with our complex world. The upcoming Journal of Experimental Biology Symposium further underscores this trend, exploring how bio-inspired robotic models can test hypotheses about animal neuromechanical control, effectively using robots to understand life and life to improve robots in a virtuous cycle of discovery. While robots gain lifelike bodies, the intelligence animating them has taken a quantum leap forward with Google's aggressive rollout of its Gemini 3.1 series. Following the December 2025 launch of the first Gemini 3 models, February 2026 saw the release of Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview, an iteration that enhances programming, mathematical logic, and complex task efficiency. However, this upgrade has ignited a fascinating debate within the developer community about the nature of intelligence itself. While Gemini 3.1 Pro excels in raw analytical power, many users lament that the previous 3 Pro Preview possessed an intangible soul for creative tasks, a superior grasp of humor, narrative flow, and the subtle nuances of literary writing that the new, more logical model seems to have sacrificed at the altar of pure performance. This write good, think good dilemma highlights a critical tension. As AI models become more mathematically proficient, they risk losing the stylistic flair that makes them compelling creative collaborators. Google's timeline compounds the pressure, with the popular 3 Pro Preview scheduled for retirement on March 9, 2026, forcing developers to either migrate or risk service interruption. Perhaps the most paradigm-shifting development comes not from a new model, but from a new interface. The open-source project OpenClaw has ignited a lobster frenzy across the tech world, amassing hundreds of thousands of GitHub stars and millions of weekly users by doing something deceptively simple. It embeds powerful AI agents directly into the chat apps people already use like Telegram, iMessage, and FaceShoot. This seemingly minor shift in placement has profound implications. For years, the industry has talked about agents while delivering the same passive dialog box you type, it answers. OpenClaw's genius was recognizing that the dialog box itself is the problem. It locks AI into a turn-based, reactive prison. By integrating into persistent chat platforms, OpenClaw transforms AI into a proactive, always available presence that can surprise me with results while you sleep, manage your email, monitor market trends, and execute complex workflows without you needing to open a single app. This represents the long-awaited emergence of AI's true front-end, a layer that finally makes the immense power of back-end models like GPT-5 and Claude accessible and useful to non-technical users. As Peter Steinberger, OpenClaw's founder, who was promptly hired by OpenAI, put it, "The old model is like copying Google, a relic of a pre-AI web. The new reality, which OpenClaw has ushered in, is one where every app is just a very slow API now, soon to be bypassed entirely by your tireless digital agent." The frenzy has been so intense that it has exposed the paralysis of incumbents like OpenAI and Anthropic, whose existing product successes have become cages, trapping them in the very paradigms OpenClaw is demolishing. Adding a sonic dimension to this upheaval, Google has launched LYRIA 3, a generative AI music model deeply integrated into the Gemini app that can compose 30-second original musical pieces with vocals, lyrics, and instrumentation from a simple text prompt or even a photo. This isn't just a toy for casual experimentation, it's a serious creative tool. Underscored by Google's acquisition of the Chainsmokers-backed startup Producer I, formerly Refusion, to bolster its music generation capabilities, LYRIA 3 can now analyze the mood of a video or image to create a fitting score, and it powers the Dream Track feature for YouTube. Shorts threatening to democratize music creation while sending ripples of anxiety through the established music industry. Google is attempting to navigate this disruption responsibly, using SynthID watermarking to ensure generated music is identifiable as AI content and framing the technology as a collaborator, not a replacement for human artists. The cultural relevance was driven home in Indonesia, where Google collaborated with legendary Qasidah group LYRIA to create a Ramadan-themed track using LYRIA 3, demonstrating how even the most advanced AI can be woven into specific local traditions. Collectively, these developments, the emotional embodiment of Anan, the analytical prowess and creative trade-offs of Gemini 3.1, the agentic revolution of Open, and the sonic democratization of LYRIA 3 paint a picture of an AI landscape that is exploding in every direction at once. It is no longer sufficient for AI to be smart. It must also be present, proactive, and perceptive of human emotion. It must live in our chat apps, move with biological grace, and help us create art, not just analyze data. This month has proven that the conversation around AI has fundamentally shifted from what can it do to how will it live with us. The answer, it seems, is everywhere, all at once, and it's only getting faster.